Right, Jeff Galinsky here. We're going to be testing Jetpack 7.1. A lot of good blocks happening. I'm going to set up Jetpack with a new account. Let's get rolling. I don't have an account. We're testing in a subdomain on a GoDaddy account right now. All right, I see our new onboarding is happening. This is good. I'm just a professional. That was strange. I don't know why I ended up here. But since I know what I'm doing, I'll head back to WP admin. Let's activate those recommended features. Alright, so the first thing on the list is Jetpack ads block. I believe I started with a free plan. No, I'm on a personal plan, so I don't have ads capability. I will upgrade my plan just to see. Alright, let me give myself some credits. Just give me a moment. Got that two-factor going on. Okay, now I can't find my username. God damn it. There we go. Let's try that again. All right. Why? Okay, well, guess I'm not testing the ads for now. because I can't figure out our billing. All right. I'm going to move on and test the business hours block. Sounds good. Oh, I know why I can't upgrade my plan, because it seems that Jeremy had bought a personal plan. Anyway, I heard about this new business hours block. Let's give it a go. Not open on Wednesday or Thursday. On Monday, I'm open from 9 to 3. And then is this a 24-hour clock? I don't know. Nope. Okay, so it's a 12-hour clock. Open from 4 p.m. These arrows are super tiny. I know it's just the browser UI, but that's kind of difficult. And then I close 6 p.m. What happens if I put a time slot that overrides another time slot? Open at 4 p.m., close at 6, but I also open at 5 p.m. and then close at 5:30 p.m. Let's see if that'll save. Alright, that's not related, I don't think, but it showed up right when I was saving this. Alright, so it's not intelligent, so it can't recognize when there's overlapping conflicting times. So maybe that's an improvement down the line. Which is fine. This is good. Every time I save a draft, this pops up, and it's really not relevant. I feel like that has the ability to distract people if they're using, I guess, the AMP plugin. I'm not sure. Business hours shows up. Time. Open, close, schedule. Maybe for some of those keywords, the business hours should definitely show up. Because unless someone knows what they're looking for, or they find it by accidentally stumbling upon it, they're probably not going to know it exists. But otherwise, everything works there. I'm just looking over the checklist here in a different window. That seems to work okay. Stop showing up. What just happened? What is this? What does that do? It doesn't make any sense. That's kind of nice. Nice. Would be really cool if you started typing, or if you could do like /block. Oh, that is exactly how it works. Nice. No, never mind. It's just a quote. But if you could do something like /block and then start typing the name of the block, and then it would show up, that'd be really cool. For really quick additions, so we don't have to go and click, and then click, and then click. Contact form or contact info? Oh, contact info. Okay. Alright, so it adds several different blocks. Let me check out the checklist. Okay. That's cool. Automatic link, phone number. Okay. I have to click away. Oh. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, let's save the draft and see what it looks like. Clearly this isn't a proper address, so we'll see how the Google Maps handles that. Alright, there's no header there, so I'll probably just have to add those separately. Maybe that should come with the header built into it. I don't know. The fact that this keeps showing up every time a draft is saved, there should be like a dismiss all. I don't even know if this is from us. This might just be a testing thing. Nope, it's the AMP plugin. Okay. Damn it, AMP. Great. Let's preview this post, see what it looks like with the headers. Hours, contact us. Alright, so the actual address links to Google and not a link saying map this or find this on Google. It's not really self-explanatory at all. And it's kind of weird with the styling. It's different from the hours. If it was more cohesive, I think that'd be nice. Great. Alright, that's cool. But it works for all intents and purposes. Alright, the next thing on the list is MailChimp. I'm not going to set up a MailChimp account right now, so I'll come back to that. Let's move on to the related post block. Let me see if there are any posts on this site. Cool. can I type today? All right, related post is there. What happens if I search for posts? There it is. Related, excellent. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, very nice. Ah, that's incredible. Oh my God, I'm excited about that. Nice. Let's give it an old preview. Let's see if the class name applied. All right. I don't expect thumbnails to show. It's not populating. I wonder why that is. Well, I guess that makes sense. Not enough related posts found. I was so excited by the formatting of it that I did not even read that title. I'm trying to think of how we can set customer expectations easier there. Maybe instead of just making the title say this, we could have like a banner warning that's red with a grid icon or something that says not enough related posts found. Find out why, and then linking to a support article. Simply because in my excitement I completely skipped over this. Let me dig into a different post. Just to see if it can find some related content. Nope, that's okay. I'll give this a go on one of my sites that has plenty of dummy content. Alright, that's fine. Slideshows are next on the list. Alright, let's make a new post. What do we got in the media library? Nice swing set. Create a new gallery. Insert gallery. Oh, that is nice. What happens if I upload an image below it? Oh, okay. So maybe this should also say upload an image to slideshow, upload an image to the slideshow, simply because it looked like a separate block. It looked like it's going to add the image below this for some reason. I mean, a customer is going to find out how it works the minute they do it, but the first time it looks like it's going to be below it for some reason. So maybe just a verbiage change to upload an image to slideshow. Otherwise, this is working nicely. Advanced. All right, let's preview this. All right. Oh, that's really nice. What is this cursor all about? Looks like I can drag and drop this. That's the wrong cursor. Alright, that's fine. Maybe we can do a quick CSS style change. Oh, related posts are here, so I'll give that another go in a second. Yeah, this is looking really nice. Yeah, you know what? I didn't upload this many images. So it's pulling in a bunch of random stuff, I guess? I'm not really sure. If we look at the post, I think... How do I edit these? Oh, there we go. Oh. So maybe it just did pull in those? That doesn't make any sense. Why did it do that? I only selected a few images initially. Definitely not these. Let's try that again. Alright, that's looking better. Maybe that was my error. Alright, this is looking really good. How are we doing on mobile? Come on, window. There we go. Oh, this is so nice. Nice work, everyone. Alright, so I see that related posts are on right here. But what happens if I add a new block with more related posts? Double the fun, everyone. Double the fun. Is it going to display double related posts, or is it going to be intelligent and... Let's find out. Let's find out what it's going to do. Alright, so it doesn't... So that's weird. So it's telling me there's not enough related posts found in this block, but related posts are still showing up. Let me dig into the Jetpack settings here. This would be confusing to a non-technical person. What happens if I shut this off? Can I still use the blocks? Alright, so that's gone. Alright, okay. So that's a little strange because if I have the settings on, it's automatically going to include the related posts. But then I have the ability to add a related post block to pages or posts in addition to the ones that are automatically going to display. We should build some logic in there. That's a minute detail, but I think it'll relieve some confusion. Let's see if I go back to this. Will the block be there again? Yep. Alright, so that's good. Next is video press. Do I have the ability to have the video? So I see that we're still using video press, but when we mark it Jetpack, we use, I think, just video. Let me go check that out. Whoops. Found a marketing error. Let's fix that. Unlimited video hosting. Video hosting. We don't say video press anymore in our marketing. So there's an inconsistency in our language. Let's fix that. I personally thought we were going to stop using video press unless this is something different. I'm just looking at the checklist to see what I can do to test. Or maybe this is something different. Like I wanna... How can I upload one? There's no upload. Why are AMP settings in here? Let me see what I have for videos in this install. Nothing. Let's see if I can find one. I usually keep one on my desktop. My messy desktop. Alright, that's fine. Interesting enough, does it not show up here? So it doesn't show up under Jetpack. Embeds? Is this something different? I don't understand why I can't just upload or... Okay, that's confusing. I think I know why though. I don't even know if this is our block. Gonna test it anyway. There's a branding differentiation that needs to happen. I don't even think this is ours. I think this might be the built-in one. I don't know. I haven't used it before. Okay. Well, at least that works. I'll come back and revisit that one. I think the video press isn't in my personal plan. So that's fine. But then again, this video press URL embed is, I'll come back to that one. All right, next up is contact form. Most used contact info. Nope, that's the one that I used before. All right, so that should say contact form, not just form. Yeah, that should say contact form. All right, name, email, let's see. Email, website, not required. Gotta say something. Can I add stuff? Change block type. All right. Oh, okay, so they're like nested blocks. I feel like this should display all the time. I didn't even know that that was there until I accidentally hovered over it. And it should say add input or something next to it. Or unless that's not add fields. This is confusing. Okay, never mind. That's just add blocks. How the heck do I add new fields? Can I not add new fields? Okay. That's how you do it. So each one of these inputs is treated as a block itself. And it's not considered a field or input, or at least it's not called that. Let's see what this looks like. Dates required. All right, let's see if that works. Message sent. Go back. Go back. Go back. Let me see if that email comes in. Looking at my inbox in a different window. I don't see it just yet. Maybe because my email has a period in the middle of it. In the form itself. Where are the overall settings for this block? For this form. Alright, that's great. I want to see the overall settings for the form itself, not each individual block within the form. Okay. It's definitely not coming into that email. Let me try my real email. My real email. Let me try my personal email. Oh man, just one of those days, everyone. Okay, save that. Let's see if the changes were made here. Whatever. Sending an email to myself from myself. Alright. Says it was sent. Let me head over to my inbox. Let me check my spam folder. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Not there. Alright. So maybe it's delayed. I don't know. I'm not getting emails from the form. Alright, now next up on the list is plugin hints. Let me just close out some tabs here. Alright, search plugin, let's see. Nope, don't see one for that. Let me just see here. I'm just going to the plugin hints test post to see what I can search for. I already have those enabled, so I don't know if they're going to show up. Alright. That's cool. I already have Jetpack, and I know what it is. So maybe this kind of sounds like an upsell for someone who might not have Jetpack already, but these are only going to show for people who do. So I would suggest changing this to saying something like, you have this feature already. This sounds like we're adding something completely new when I already have the plugin. and it takes me, why is it taking me away from, okay, that should definitely not take me out of WP admin. Just take me to my settings or take me to a block and have me add it. I don't know. It's gonna take me out of here. These, I don't think these should be taking me away from here. This should just quickly enable the feature or make me learn more about it inside of WP admin. Or at the very least, open a new tab or something, even though that'd be painful on mobile. The fact that people have the ability to just get lost and leave, because now there's no clear way to get back to their site, obviously, unless they hit the back button. Let's see, downtime. See, the configure makes sense. Yes, that's great. I like that. Let's see what else we have. Related posts. Cool. The configure makes sense because they're already on. I get that. But even with the get started ones, the ones that I don't have enabled, like lazy images, let's see. Why is this asking me to activate Jetpack? Jetpack's already activated. Let's see what happens if I try and activate Jetpack when it's already activated. Excellent, fail error. Now everything's broken, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna stop testing that. Great, I'm gonna stop this video and I'll test the MailChimp stuff and the ad stuff shortly. Thanks.